Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the interface of AAMC, the ERAS application form. We're going to start off with your personal information. This includes basic information, the address, work authorizations, and prior match information, including BLS and ACLS training. Next is your biographic information. That includes your ethnicity, your language fluency, military information, as well as geographic and rural versus urban programs. Geographic preferences can play a role because some programs look at that when they try to employ you. Will you be happy in that area? Next is the education tab, which includes anything you've done after high school. That may include your pre-med degree, master's, or even a PhD. And I've clicked on it to show you what exactly you need to fill out. So it's the institution, where you've studied, what degree you've obtained, when you've started, and when you've graduated. Next is your medical education tab and any postgraduate training. So that means if you've started a residency program or if you've done some training overseas, that can be included in that. Finally, any awards that you've obtained during your undergraduate studies or even in medical school can be included here. Your experience includes work experience, volunteering experience, as well as research experience. Under work experience, you need to talk about whereabouts it was, what was your role, and also your job description. It's pretty much the same for research experience. You talk about your role, you talk about your supervisor, and also a description of what you had to do during your research year or a couple of months, wherever you were. Your volunteering experience can be quite broad and it can include many different unpaid positions. It could be volunteering at the hospital, like translating, or with the ambulance services as a first aider or a first responder. It can include bigger projects where you had to travel overseas and you helped a community or even mobile clinics. This by far was probably the most difficult and annoying section to fill out, but it's quite satisfying seeing what you've done at the end. They also have this new thing where you pick your most meaningful experience and why. If you've started a residency or a prelim year, you usually have to apply for a licensure, and this is where you insert it. The second most finicky section was the publication section. As you can see here, all of these are considered different publications. We're going to click on each one of them. So the first one is a peer-reviewed journal article, and I show you where you can get your information from. I'm currently just copying it from my CV because it was readily available over there. Another great place to find the information, particularly the PubMed ID, issue, volume, all of those finicky details, is in PubMed. An extremely exciting thing for those of you who are currently doing research and may not have published anything is there's a section specifically for that. You can pick options submitted, provisionally accepted, accepted, or in press, which basically means it will be in a future issue. If you write blog articles, that would go under non-peer reviewed online publications. So this is what everything looks put together in the end. Then you click on Certify and Submit. Here you can see your entire application. So I'm just going to quickly scroll through it. You can also view your CV. And this has been super helpful for me. I've been sending it to different PIs. When I want research, it's just so put together. Please be super duper careful when you hit Certify and Submit. Once you click on this, you cannot add anything else. Bear in mind, there is a deadline for all of this, but once you certify and submit it, the only thing you can update is your personal information, and I will show you this shortly. Alrighty, now that it's been submitted, you've got a notification on top, and as you can see on the left panel, you get update next to personal information. So if we open this up, all you can edit is your personal information. You can add your NRMP ID once you receive it and your urology match number, but that is it. If this video helped you out, smash the like button and send any questions through the comments below. Happy to help you out, and good luck with the match.